Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to enable Messenger pop-up notifications. So first, open settings. So for iPhone users, iPhones don't support Android style chat heads, but you can enable Messenger notifications. So open settings and go to notifications. Then scroll down and tap on Messenger and turn on allow notifications, just like so. Then scroll down a bit and also enable lock screen, notification center, and banners. You can tap on banner style, so choose banner style. You can choose temporary or persistent if you want notifications to stay visible until dismissed. Now let's go back to main settings, then go to focus. Now make sure do not disturb or focus mode is off or disabled. Next, if you're using Android, you can go to Messenger, then tap on menu at the bottom right, then tap on settings, scroll down and tap on notifications and sounds, and turn on notifications from here. So you can also enable chat heads or bubbles on newer Android versions. And that's basically it.